Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Open Capcut and import the clip. Select the layer or overlay you want to follow the subject, and make sure the subject is visible for several seconds. Tap the track button, then select point or object tracking depending on movement. Position the tracking box over a high contrast area of the subject so the algorithm locks on. Once done, press Start or Analyze. Capcut will scan forward and create keyframes automatically, so you don't have to place them manually. Now refine the results. Scrub the timeline and watch the tracked overlay during playback. If the overlay drifts, pause where it fails and nudge the overlay or adjust a specific keyframe. This corrects cumulative error. Use mask or anchor tools to limit tracking to the most stable area and reduce jitter by smoothing keyframes where movement is uniform. Once done, replay the section at full speed to confirm tracking holds through turns and occlusions. If not, step back 1 or 2 keyframes and retweak those points. Finish by checking timing and alignment. Export a short test clip to confirm everything looks natural. If the automated track fails or pops, switch modes or increase subject contrast, move a high contrast marker onto the subject and retrack. You can also delete a bad segment of keyframes and set a few manual keyframes to guide the software across hard spots. One key tip: when occlusion or blur breaks the track, place 2-3 manual keyframes across that gap and resume automatic tracking afterward to bridge the error.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.